Hello everyone, welcome to Maju Catering Services. This video is popular request. I have already shared the cream one, that's the milk one, and they need this chocolate one. It's very good business. This is the popular Ghanaian sweet ice cream. Yeah, those people from Ghana know this ice cream. It's very good business. If you try it, it's not expensive. You need small money to do this business. So let's start. Put water on fire. Set your fire to medium-high temperature. Mix flour and water, normal water. You add it to it. You are making like porridge. Yeah, you see how it's look. It's supposed to be like that. It's ready. So remove it from the fire. Yeah. Then you add your brown sugar or white sugar. You can add both to it, and you mix it well. Yeah, mix it well. Then you add your milk powder. All those things not expensive. You get small money, you can do this business. Yeah, only thing you get your plastic cap or the rubber you are going to use to tie it. Yeah, then you add your cocoa powder. You can use cocoa powder, you can use Milo. Yeah, or you can use choco. If you have choco powder, you can use that one, and you mix it until well combined. Yeah, mix it well. So it's ready now. I'm come to strain it. So if you finish it, you need to strain it. Yeah, you should sieve it like this. You see what is inside. Yeah, that's why you need to strain it. Then you mix it. You find your nice wooden spoon to stir it like this. So all those things, you should prepare all those things. It don't cost any much. You should get all those special things for this your business. Yeah, then you add vanilla essence. Yeah, that's the common one. You can get it African or Ghana. Yeah, you make it like this. Then you use your plastic rubber bag like this. This rubber is very common. So if you go to market, ask the woman, you need the rubber they use for ice cream or the sugar. Ghana, we have those things we use to make tight sugar and gare, granite, pinacas. Yeah, if you ask, you can get it, or you can get some from Amazon. I bought my own from Amazon. Yeah, then you see how it look very sexy. Yeah. And then you cut that thing from there. Yeah, and this is the cap. You can use the plastic cap to make it. Also, you can get some from market, small plastic. And you see the cream one, I have recipe there. I have already done the recipe, so I will post it on my comment section. And you use plastic wrapper to tie it like this, or aluminium foil to do it like this. Yeah, you see. So if you want the white one, I use the aluminium foil to do it, so you can see it. It's ready. You see, it's ready. Put into your deep freezer for 24 hours, or if your deep freezer is good, you can use 12 hours to make it this ice cream. It's very easy and simple. I pray for anyone who will use this one as your business. It will come successful in the name of Jesus. The 24 hours is ready. See how easy you can remove it. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, follow, and share my Facebook page. Yeah, all my social media. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.